Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the stick diagrams. Basically, the stick diagram is used to transfer the information via the color code. Here, the designers will use it to represent the color lines for various process of layers such as diffusion, metal, and polysilicon and contact cuts are formed using these color lines. And it will be a cartoon of chip layout. It will be like a cartoon of chip layout, and it will not a exact model of the layout. And it will be represented by the rectangles with the lines which represents wires and components of the symbols. For example, the NMOS design for the N diffusion, the green color will be represented. For polysilicon, red color. For metal, blue color. And implant for yellow color, and contact areas for black color. Then these are some of the colors and applicable stick encodings and the layers used in the mask layout encoding. So green, red, blue, black, gray, NMOS, brown, yellow, and then implant, and then buried contacts, over glass, contact get, metal one, and then polysilicon layer, end diffusion. These are some colors with the stick encoding diagrams. So this diagram for the NMOS encoding. To design the NMOS encoding, we have to use these stick diagrams. And these symbols for the CMOS encoding. CMOS encoding. The one of the important thing here is the demarcation line that will be represented by the brown, the dotted lines. So the next topic is stick layout using NMOS design. To design the NMOS, how to use the stick layout. So the first thing is NMOS diffusion and thin oxide regions that will be in green color, and then polysilicon that will be in red color, and then the metal layer that will be in blue color, the implant that will be in yellow, the contact cuts that will be black or brown. The brown is for only for buried contact. So the buried contact that will be discussed in the later topics. So the transistor formed wherever the polysilicon crosses N diffusion, red over green, and all diffusion wires that will be interconnected layers are green. So the steps used for designing the NMOS using stick layout that will be discussed in the next video.